Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring 17 of the most unique and in-demand AliExpress gadgets that are selling like crazy this year. From futuristic tech to practical daily helpers, these gadgets are designed to make life easier, more fun, and just a little more magical. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a content creator, or someone who loves discovering innovative solutions for everyday problems, this list has something for everyone. Every gadget mentioned is linked in the description below, so you can check them out directly. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cinebot 30 FPV Drone. If you're passionate about aerial photography or filmmaking, the Cinebot 30 FPV Drone is a must-have. With 4K ultra-high-definition video capture, it guarantees stunning, professional-level footage whether you're shooting landscapes, cityscapes, or action scenes. Its sturdy aluminum frame ensures durability, while 1.84/84 motors provide smooth, responsive control for agile maneuvers. The drone also comes equipped with a propeller guard and integrated lighting, reducing vibration and stabilizing your shots even in tricky conditions. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you cinematic versatility wherever you go. Imagine capturing breathtaking sunset footage from the sky or filming dynamic scenes for a vlog. The main advantages are professional quality video and flight stability, while the slight learning curve for beginners could be considered a minor con. Number 2. COLMI R12 Smart Ring. The COLMI R12 Smart Ring is not just a piece of wearable tech. It's a sleek, functional companion for health-conscious individuals. Encased in a durable steel frame, it tracks your heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep patterns, and stress levels in real time. The touchscreen display allows quick access to your health data without constantly opening an app. With wireless charging and a 5 ATM waterproof rating, it's ready for daily wear, whether you're working out, taking a shower, or caught in the rain. Pros include accurate health monitoring and compact, stylish design, while the con is that some advanced features require syncing with the app for full functionality. If you're someone who wants to effortlessly monitor wellness, this ring provides a hands-free, stylish solution. Number 3. Jincong S9. For urban explorers and thrill seekers, the Jincong S9 electric unicycle redefines personal mobility. Powered by a 350W motor, it can handle steep hills and reach speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for commuting or just enjoying the freedom of the city streets. The 15 kilometers range lets you ride longer without worrying about frequent charging. What sets it apart is the built-in lighting and Bluetooth speaker, transforming your ride into a fun, immersive experience day or night. The tilt sensor balance system ensures intuitive control, while the wide pedal offers comfort even after long journeys. The main con is that beginners need practice to master balance, but once you do, city commuting becomes effortless and exhilarating. Number 4. Retractable Sunshade. Nobody likes stepping into a car that feels like an oven, and the retractable sunshade solves that problem instantly. Crafted from high-density polyester fabric with a reflective aluminum layer, it blocks up to 99% of UV rays and 85% of solar heat in just seconds. Its 4 upgraded suction cups keep it firmly in place, while installation is effortless and takes less than a minute. Ideal for protecting your car's interior, your skin, and keeping the cabin cool, it's perfect for summer commutes or road trips. The pro is immediate sun protection and comfort, but the con is that it works best on standard windshield sizes, so double-check your car's dimensions. Number 5. Selfie Monitor Screen. Content creators and vloggers will find the Selfie Monitor screen indispensable. This compact 5-inch wireless display mirrors your smartphone's rear camera feed in real time, allowing precise framing without guessing or awkward arm extensions. The touch-responsive interface gives you control over recording, and the screen is bright enough for outdoor shoots. Weighing only 123 grams and boasting a battery life of around 3.5 hours, it's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for mobile shooting, travel vlogs, or walk-and-talk videos. The Pro is the perfect framing for high-quality content, while the con is that it may need adjustments for compatibility with certain phone cases or larger devices. Number 6. Tree Night Light. The Tree Night Light brings a mix of nature-inspired decor and modern tech into your living space. Its LED interior plant design requires no sunlight or water, making it completely hassle-free. With 16 million RGB colors controllable via a smartphone app, it transforms any room into a cozy, atmospheric retreat. Perfect for date nights, movie marathons, or just relaxing with a cup of tea. The subtle glow creates a calming vibe, while also serving as a conversation starter. Pros include its versatility and aesthetic appeal, while a con is that it's mainly decorative and doesn't provide task lighting. Number 7. Vacuum Car Phone Holder. Keep your phone stable and accessible while driving with the Vacuum Car Phone Holder. Its 360 degrees rotating head and flexible zinc alloy mount allow for perfect adjustment, whether you're navigating, following recipes, or attending virtual meetings hands-free. The strong suction cup ensures your device stays put even on bumpy roads, while the foldable design makes storage effortless. Compatible with various phones, this gadget blends convenience with safety. The main pro is universal usability and strong hold, while the minor con is that extreme heat may slightly weaken the suction over time, so occasional adjustment may be needed. Number 8. Zippo Smart System Watch. Zippo reimagines the classic lighter with a modern twist in the Zippo Smart System Watch. Featuring a metallic flip-top design with built-in pulse tracking, this gadget serves both as a lighter and a health monitoring device. It ignites safely without fuel using an electric arc and charges via USB-C in just 1 to 2 hours, eliminating traditional maintenance. Perfect for everyday use, it combines style and functionality seamlessly. Pros include innovative design and dual functionality, while the con is that frequent users may need to recharge more often, especially if used for both ignition and pulse tracking throughout the day. Number 9. Aroma Raindrop Humidifier. Transform your workspace or bedroom into a mini oasis with the Aroma Raindrop Humidifier. It's not just a humidifier, it's a multi-sensory relaxation device. It disperses a fine mist of essential oils while simulating the gentle sound of raindrops, creating a calming ambience ideal for stress relief or sleep. The gradient ambient light adds a cozy glow, adjustable to match your mood or room setting. The device automatically shuts off when the water runs low, ensuring safety. Pros include its soothing multifunction design, portability, and easy maintenance, while the con is that larger rooms may require multiple units for optimal humidity coverage. Number 10. Higole Mini PC. The Higole Mini PC combines compact size with surprising computing power. Equipped with a 5.5-inch touchscreen, Windows 11 Pro, a Celeron N5095 processor, 16 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage, it can handle work, entertainment, and multitasking effortlessly. Its array of ports, including USB-C, USB 3.0, and HDMI, ensures seamless connectivity for peripherals. Whether you're working remotely, watching videos, or managing home projects, this mini PC is versatile and portable. The main advantage is its space-saving, portable design without sacrificing performance, while a minor con is that heavy gaming may push its limits. Number 11. Picture Phone Case. The Picture Phone Case turns your smartphone into a dynamic and personalized accessory. With its NFC-compatible screen, you can instantly display custom designs, favorite photos, or important notes directly on your case. Beyond aesthetics, it provides military-grade protection, having survived extensive drop tests. You can even use it as a to-do organizer without unlocking your phone. Pros include personalization and protection, while the con is that extended screen exposure may slightly affect battery usage. Number 12. Prinker S Tattoo Device. Express yourself with the Prinker S Tattoo Device, a compact and portable temporary tattoo printer. It comes with over 12,000 ready-made designs, or you can create your own custom artwork. The FDA-approved ink ensures safety, while the tattoos are washable yet water-resistant for lasting fun. Ideal for events, marketing, or casual body art, it allows unlimited creativity without permanence. The pro is effortless, fun customization. The con is that for very intricate designs, practice may be needed to achieve perfection. Number 13. Foldable Keyboard with Touchpad. Designed for productivity on the go, this foldable keyboard with touchpad is compact, portable, and efficient. It supports Bluetooth connectivity across iOS, Android, and Windows devices, and allows switching between 3 devices seamlessly. The integrated touchpad eliminates the need for a separate mouse, while its 50-hour battery life ensures reliable use during travel. Ideal for students, travelers, or remote workers, it combines convenience with performance. Pros include versatility and compact design. A minor con is that the keys may feel smaller than standard keyboards for those with larger hands. Number 14. Zemismart Curtain. The Zemismart Curtain motor is perfect for smart homes, offering voice control via Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. Compatible with Android and iOS apps, you can set schedules, adjust track lengths, or control multiple curtains simultaneously. It supports both remote and voice commands, and its installation is simple on both walls and ceilings. Great for energy efficiency, convenience, and accessibility, this device integrates technology seamlessly into your living space. The pro is full smart automation, while a minor con is that complex setups may require additional calibration for large windows. Number 15. Khadas Tone2 Pro. For audiophiles, the Khadas Tone2 Pro DAC amplifier is a high-fidelity masterpiece. Encased in a sleek aluminum body, it features MQA decoding for OPA 1612 amplifiers and 3 woofers, providing crisp, dynamic, and immersive audio. Ideal for high-end headphones or desktop listening, The secondary USB-C port allows linear 5V power input, eliminating noise and ensuring pure sound. Pros include exceptional audio clarity and build quality, while the con is that casual listeners may not need its advanced features. Number 16, Jackey Lamp. The Jackey Lamp brings magic and minimalist design to your lighting experience. By lifting its small ball via magnetic attraction, the lamp switches on instantly, creating a fun, interactive user experience. With 6 dimming levels, you can switch from bright productivity lighting to soft, relaxing illumination. Perfect for home offices, bedrooms, or ambient setups, it blends style and functionality. Pros include its elegant design and adjustable brightness. A minor con is that it may require careful placement to avoid accidental knocks. Number 17, UGREEN SmartTrack. Never lose your essentials again with the UGREEN SmartTrack, a compact Bluetooth tracker compatible with Apple's Find My network. Easily locate keys, wallets, or luggage from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Its replaceable battery lasts up to 2 years, making it a long-term, reliable companion. Ideal for travel, daily life, or office use, it combines safety, convenience, and peace of mind in one tiny device. Pros include long battery life and global tracking. The con is that Android users may not access the full Find My functionality. And there you have it. 17 AliExpress gadgets that are currently selling like crazy, each designed to enhance your life, entertain, or simplify daily tasks. From professional drones and mini PCs to smart rings, aromatherapy humidifiers, and interactive lamps, these gadgets cover productivity, creativity, health, and fun. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home, enjoy tech on the go, or find unique gifts, these gadgets show the diversity and innovation available on AliExpress today. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorites, and let us know in the comments which gadget you'd love to try first.